What's up guys, Super Geek here, and this is OnePlus 10. Yes guys, this is the first ever render made by a concept creator. This concept looks so real and there is a significant change in OnePlus series, as you can clearly tell. OnePlus is going to collab with Hasselblad for the camera in OnePlus 10. This could be true because almost every devices from OnePlus has been criticized for its camera quality, and none of the OnePlus smartphone ever impressed the reviewers and even the consumers. It's not like cameras on OnePlus smartphones are bad or anything, but they're not that great as they should be. So that could be the reason that OnePlus is going to collab with Hasselblad to rework the upcoming OnePlus smartphone camera from scratch. And as you can see in this concept render, the smartphone comes with this big camera module which looks really awesome, and it comes with only two sensors but significantly large sensors alongside what looks like a xenon flash and an LED flash. Below the camera module, as you can see, is the Hasselblad branding, and it looks really nice. And to give it a more premium look, the rear panel of the smartphone is made from leather or just a leather finish on polycarbonate back. It could be real leather because, as we know, OnePlus, they don't cheap out on design or build quality on their smartphones. And one more thing which I noticed in the render is that there is a switch on the side of the device which is differently colored, and it could be the camera switch to launch the camera app, or can be used as the shutter key for the camera. Again, it is just a concept render, not any leak or anything, but it looks too real. And even if this smartphone happens, it will be only a limited edition smartphone, just like the Cyberpunk or the McLaren edition from OnePlus. So let's hope that this will become a reality, and we'll get something from OnePlus this year as well, as we expect from them every year. So that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.